How to optimize graphics for PC performance for darkest day. Want the best visuals without the lag? Here is how to optimize graphics for darkest days on PC. Go to Settings and then Video. Ensure your resolution matches your monitor's native setting. If your FPS is low, try lowering the shadow quality and anti-aliasing first. These are the biggest performance hitters. If you have an RTX card, turn on DLSS. For other cards, look for FSR. These settings upscale your image, giving you a massive frame rate boost without losing much detail. It's a must-have for smoother combat. Finally, set your max FPS to match your monitor's refresh rate. If you experience screen tearing, turn on VSync. This will keep the image stable during fast-paced zombie attacks. Now the game looks good as it plays. Like and subscribe for more PC performance tips.